William! I'm recording a video now. 3D printer!
YouTube video?
Yeah, I'm doing a YouTube video. You can't see, the sides are too tall.
I'm making a chapter
It's emptying out. It's cleaning out so it doesn't poop everywhere. Imagine all 3D. Everyone should get one of these. This is not an ad. Kitty kitty poo poo. Oh, Terrence.
Well,
Oh yeah, Wham! Everyone can see your peed up pillow now.
and everyone can see you that you never dress when you wake up.
Yeah, huh? This is new clothes. Oh jeez.
You wore those clothes yesterday.
Didn't?
And what's not?
Much longer.
I don't see it anymore.
52% done. It's just past halfway. Hold on. There's a bunch of other 3D stuff. I mean 3D printed stuff. We didn't 3D print any of this. Hold on. So we did 3D print this chain.
We did.
Yep.
And this was a fail. We
Failed attempt to make
penny.
apparently a penny opener, but really it's a beer bottle opener. Don't ask. It looks so interesting and cool. And also it's at, apparently, they're both at 220 degrees. Don't touch! Hey, you're in my way. Stop it! Get in my way. Now you can't see it. Look at it from the top.
Oh,
Hey, get out of my way.
It's almost towards the point.
I was just laying right here. You can see my body shape. Like, there's my head.
I know this
My
ain't
legs
really
and
a
hands.
train video, but
It's so cool. We have to put it in here.
yeah. This one's one of the special ones because it has two
Move your feet. Lose your seat. Don't you mean spools of whatever this stuff is?
liquid. Like,
It's not liquid. It's plastic. Ah! Jeez, don't do that.
stay down.
Here's a little bit of the spool. Like how jammed up
Move
in
your
the top.
feet. Lose your feet.
I'm just gonna lay down here for like 5 minutes. I'll be back with you later. That was from my 3-second nap. Actually, no, I was like there for like 5 minutes.
More like 5 hours.
That's what it felt like. We have been here for 37 minutes.
No hour.
I kind of want to cut back from until when it's done. On. This is what the arrangement of colors is going to be. It's currently starting on its middle color, so it's this around here is 60% done. Take this with me. This is one of the samples. Like that whole bag and those ones are samples. Those are the ones that we've 3D printed already.
Uh-oh.
What?
There's lines to the,
Oh, that's okay. They're really easy to snap. You can just rip them off. See?
This thing is doing its thing. That thing is just doing its thing.
This is a good view to look at it from. Right here. What is this? Ah! William, don't do that. Ah! William, no. William, stop it. Stop it. William, stop moving the chair. I got to get that video. Oh, what's going on? I gotta. Stop it, William. Stop. Oh no. William, stop it. I'm trying to video here. William, stop. I'm going to fall into the 3D printer. And then it's gonna start 3D printing on my head. I'll turn my head into a 3D printed plastic thingamabob. William, stop moving. Shit. Oh my gosh. William, where are you taking me? I need to record the video. William, stop it. William, stop it.
Got with me.
William, stop. William.
It's a nice view from here. There is this thing going on. Oh, that's fine.
Oh yeah, it's going to be. It's 220 degrees.
Why?
So we can melt the plastic to build stuff with it. Wait, we should keep those little things on the side that it made to empty out the nozzle so it doesn't poop everywhere. We should keep those just so we can build walls and throw traffic cones at them. I needed that.
Hey, at least we got a chain.
And the
Chaining wall and a wall and
a bottle opener. Bye. There they are. Ah! Whoa, he only just does that. He's like, whoa. I'm probably going to replay that in slow motion. Ow.
Please do. Rocket!
Ah! Stop it. Stop throwing stuff at me. I want to figure out what this thing is. Some sort of dragon lizard thing with hold on, which one's the better? Okay, this one's better. Let's see the details and stuff on it. We didn't make any of these things except for the red, this and that. And where's the bottle opener? Oh, there it is. I'm gonna replay it in slow motion. Spaghettios. Ow! I just smacked my head off the wall. So I'm gonna turn the brightness up. That won't help anything. When is it even up?
Doing okay.
It's not even changing anything that much. I mean, it's changing stuff, but... Oh! Wait. Hold on, I'm gonna turn my light on and look down there again. Hold on. Okay, the light definitely turned on. Let's see if it's down there.
Ow.
You still can't see down there.
Maybe it bounced.
Oh, you can't even see the floor.
I can.
The camera can't. I don't see it down there. Of course you don't see it because you can't even see the floor.
Maybe.
Oh, it's sideways.
Because it hit the ground and bounced.
Maybe, yeah, it probably bounced underneath. Maybe if we look under this way. Of course we're gonna see it if we look under this way. Oh, we actually don't see it. Oh, I see it. Wow, how did you get it so far back there?
I don't know, and I landed it.
You did land it.
I landed it.
What are you gonna do
Now
now?
you believe me because there's no way to get down there.
Lol.
Actually, I have an idea.
Maybe we can reach.
We have to go
Back.
behind the 3D printer.
No, we can't do that. Oh my, it's so tiny down here. It's so dark.
No.
Okay.
How are we gonna get that? There's no space.
Oh. Well, I'm gonna turn the flashlight off. Hold on. I can't even do like the thing where it turns dark because the light is making my finger red. Okay, hold on. I'll see you when this light's off. My goodness, I'm like, flash warning. Okay, that took no time at all. Okay, that one is still down here. Let's see how this is going. Whoa. It's almost done. Where is it? Here's a cone. Here's a couple of them. It shot everything off. So it's currently almost done with this one.
I do that.
Dun. Dun. It's like it's doing this thing, and then the person walks up and shoots the camera. You know that thing? I don't know what it's called. Like.
Brandon, you know
Did they
what
turn
I'm
to the
doing right
camera?
now? You know what I'm doing right now?
No!
Hey, I'm gonna do it. Okay, Brandon, show the camera to
No!
In and out, in and out, in
No!
and out, in and
Stop
out.
it!
F-E-X, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out.
This is not appropriate for kids because Wham is a jerk.
I'm feeling fine.
Ah! I've been feeling badly.
Hey, Brandon, look.
Is it just me or is there lines going up and down? Oh. I can see through a pointy eye and put a pointy eye on my face. No! You're such a bad person. You're ruining my channel. I'm probably gonna get demonetized because of you. Okay, it's getting pretty good. I'll cut it back. Wait, do you want me to cut back when it's completely done? Because it's currently on its, I think it's last color.
It's on 74%.
That's... Okay, I'm just measuring here. Hold on, measuring. So it's on its second to last color, I think. I'm just gonna cut back when it's completely done. Okay?
No.
Okay, we're taking it off. Final product. Whoa, that looks awesome.
Ooh.
Look at all the strings.
That looks so weird.
Oh, it's
Charlotte,
really nice.
what do you have to say about this?
Charlotte is a spider. We don't want to destroy Charlotte's web. Ta-da! Gotta clean up a little bit. I'll cut back when it's all cleaned up. There. Okay, let's do. Wham, do you have it? It looks so cool. It's our first. Ow! It's our first success to making a cone. Yay! It's another cone for Cone World. It hardly even goes on.
so good.
Hold on, let me see it.
Bye. Oh my god.
Oh no! You broke it, William.
No, I didn't. Well, I did. It's chipped on it.
Chipped it.
F
Yep,
this
you
F
definitely
amount.
broke it.
F this F amount. I didn't do anything.